Hi ladies and gents, and welcome to the summary of the first trading week in March 2009. Now, my name is Lachlan Elsworth. I'm an index trader. Not only an index trader, I'm also a very keen coach of index trading. And in fact, this week's been a very good week for coaching and a very good week for results. Now, whenever I speak about index trading or I'm teaching people about what we do, I think there are two fundamental rules that really do come into play in your trading, and this is absolutely fundamental if you are considering trading for the first time. If you want to be a day trader, if you want to trade from home, if you want to trade from anywhere in the world and simply trade a very, very dynamic market, then I strongly recommend index trading over CFD or options trading. Now, this is of course my personal perspective. Ultimately, the reason why I do recommend indexing over options or CFDs is that if you are an optionals or CFD trader, it's very, very likely you will run into enormous expenditure every time you take a trade, because the market maker will charge you a whole lot of fees because they make the market. Now, without going into it in a huge amount of detail, it simply means that every time you push the button to get into a trade or every time you push the button to get out of a trade, you pay a large amount of money. Now, the reason I do what I do is because I pay $2.50 US to get in and $2.50 US to get out per contract. That is the only cost I incur when I push the button to actually take a trade. So, if you are considering taking up day trading, then the first of my key points is this: make sure that it is as cheap as possible. The cheapest instrument I have found to trade in the market anywhere in the world is in fact indexes. I love trading indexes, and that is the reason why I trade indexes. Secondly, and I think most importantly, if you are brand new to trading or you are considering trading, then please do ensure that you pick an instrument that is very, very simple to understand and very, very easy to trade. Now, I say that when I compare this to an option. Options, you have many, many choices to make. You can go in the money, on the money, out of the money. You can go covered, you can go naked, you can go put this, call that, do this, do that. There's about 10 or 12 different things you can do just to take a trade. Whereas with an index, we trade it up or down. The only thing you have to do if you are trading in a live trading room, which is a very similar condition to which I learnt, if you are in a live trading room with a pro trader calling a signal for you live, then you just have to do what you're told, up or down, and you're done. Now, in the case of index trading, it is incredibly simple. It only goes up, it only goes down. You just have to be very, very good at guessing that direction, and you can take advantage of the market regardless of what it does. Now, I don't think anyone can get an idea of what the market's going to do in the next 6 months or the next 12 months. I just believe with the volatility that we're seeing that we've got a huge trading opportunity to take advantage of. In fact, if you want to see firsthand what it is like, simply jump on one of the free webinars run 8 p.m. every Monday night, Australian Eastern Standard Time, and find out why what we do is in fact so successful. In fact, speaking of successful, on Monday night, in summary, we got 8 points. Tuesday night, a little bit lame, 4.25 points. S&P Wednesday night, 2 points, so not much fun. 2 points, and then finally we ended up with 9 points on 9.5 points on Thursday night, 9.5 on Friday night. This means we ended up with just over a 33-point return for the week per contract. 33 points at 5% per point is in fact 165% return. Now, I'm quite happily to put the challenge out there to anybody that is, literally that is trading, that back to back to back is looking at around 100 to 150, 160% return on investment per week. And as you can see by a number of the trades, we certainly didn't take them anywhere near as far as we could. So ladies and gents, from me to you, if you are considering trading, you're considering day trading, you're considering becoming a personal trader, please do give this an enormous amount of thought. I say that it's incredibly simple to trade. It's a very, very easy thing that we do. We simply trade one thing and we trade it up or down, and we don't trade with market makers. That's the big one. So ladies and gents, that's a week in summary, over 150% return. I'm looking very, very forward to next week. Let's see if we can beat 150%. Let's also see if we can beat February, where we got over 1,000% return in Feb. All right, that's enough from me. Friday night, late Friday night. It is now time to celebrate and have a brilliant weekend. So jump on the website if you want to go to the webinar on Monday night, and I look forward to seeing you there. And congratulations for those that have already gone to the webinar and have actually signed up into the trading rooms to find out firsthand what it is like to trade. Have a great evening, and bye for now.